Wow, look at that. Catching a swarm in our plum tree. Bee swarm. Jack, scared of nothing. I'm sure I'll be stung in a minute. The assistant always gets stung. Oh, they're getting mad. The queen is in the middle somewhere. I'm trying to dump her in the hive. Oh, shit. Wow, you're brave, Jack. Hear the buzzing. Got more angry. Now we have to find the queen. Or just put the things in there. Oh God. Ah, they're surrounding me. They are not happy. Jack is not scared of nothing. Good job, babe. And also, I might add, Jack is in shorts.
Where's that lid?
Over there. Over there by the hives. Remember you said we don't need it right now?
Yeah. Yeah, just hang tight for a minute.
They're not too mad. That means the queen must be in the box. This is for those people who freak out when they see a bee and start screaming. Okay? It's not a big deal. One bee. Oh, they're going in there.
Now I'm sure that the queen is in there.
Yeah, me too.
Unless she's still on this tree limb.
No.
She wouldn't be because the other bees would be
We'll be going crazy.
For the tree limb. So now, I'm going to get this. I'm going to put this hive up here to where the other bees can find it.
That's for the stragglers. Good, just success. All right. Vendy has not got stung. I can't believe it. Yep, they're all going in there. They seem to be happy. They're doing their wings. When they wiggle like that, they're telling the other bees that this is a good place. Yep. Do you want me to get the lid? When they're
Yeah, I think it's all over but the frying.
Okay. Good job, Jack.